Easily find any device for prompt troubleshooting with IP reporting and LED blink features. When locating a device on a sitemap, if a technician presses the IP report button, the site manager can instantly see the highlighted ASIC miner and its position on the map. For physically locating a device, turning on the LED blink feature in Enterprise OS allows technicians to immediately identify the pinpointed machine. The IP reporting feature boosts operational efficiency by providing instant visibility of ASIC locations on your sitemap. When adding a new or repaired device to the fleet, or when technicians need to locate visibly malfunctioning machines, pressing the IP report button on the device instantly locates and highlights it on the sitemap. From there, the facility manager can tweak the sitemap layout, change device status, power mode, firmware, and so on. The LED blink feature, in turn, complements the troubleshooting protocols by physically indicating that miner's location. To quickly find and fix an underperforming machine, the facility manager activates the LED blink, so technicians can easily identify and access the specific ASIC, streamlining the repair and maintenance process. Using the IP reporting and LED blink feature is an essential addition to the sitemap, significantly reducing troubleshooting time and improving facility performance.